Your home's curb appeal sets the stage for the first impression anyone gets when they visit or pass by. In Auburn Hills, a city that embraces charm and community, having a home that radiates warmth and style is essential. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways to achieve this is by upgrading your home's doors. From front entryways to garage doors, replacing or upgrading these key elements can transform your property's exterior and boost its value. Why doors play a key role in curb appeal? Doors are more than functional features. They're focal points of your home's exterior. A well-designed front door conveys your personal style, while a sleek and secure garage door enhances the overall look and feel of your property. Neglecting them can lead to a worn or outdated appearance, overshadowing other efforts to beautify your home. In Auburn Hills, where weather can range from snowy winters to humid summers, choosing durable, weather-resistant doors is equally as important as finding aesthetically pleasing ones. Modern materials and designs make it easy to marry function with style. Front doors. The heart of your home's personality. Your front door is your home's handshake, the first thing people notice when they approach. A bold, beautifully designed front door can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal. Here are some tips for choosing the right one. Color matters. A vibrant door color can make your home stand out. Consider colors like deep red, navy blue, or even a cheerful yellow to add personality. Auburn Hills homeowners often opt for hues that complement Michigan's seasonal changes, like earthy greens or warm oranges. Material selection. Modern front doors come in wood, fiberglass, and steel. Each material offers its unique benefits. Wood, timeless and elegant, perfect for traditional homes. Fiberglass, durable and energy efficient, ideal for Auburn Hills' fluctuating weather. Steel, strong and secure, offering a sleek, modern look. Glass accent doors with decorative glass panels or sidelights not only brighten your entryway but also add a touch of sophistication. Hardware upgrade. A stylish handle, knocker, or smart lock can complement the door's design and elevate its overall aesthetic. Garage doors. Functional style with big impact. Your garage door often takes up significant visual real estate, making it a key player in your home's curb appeal. Replacing an outdated or damaged garage door is one of the most cost-effective ways to enhance your home's exterior. Here's what to consider. Design choices. Choose a design that complements your home's architectural style. For example, carriage-style doors for a classic look. Sleek, modern doors with clean lines and glass panels for contemporary homes. Material options like front doors, garage doors come in a variety of materials. Steel, durable and low maintenance. Wood, offers natural beauty but requires upkeep. Composite, combines the look of wood with the durability of steel. Insulation features. Insulated garage doors help regulate your garage's temperature, which is especially beneficial in Auburn Hills' cold winters and hot summers. Smart technology. Upgrading to a smart garage door opener not only adds convenience but can also be a selling point if you plan to list your home. Coordinating the look for maximum impact. For a cohesive aesthetic, ensure your front door and garage door complement each other. This doesn't mean they need to match exactly, but their styles and colors should harmonize. For instance, if you choose a bold red front door, a neutral-toned garage door with subtle detailing can balance the look. The added value of upgraded doors beyond aesthetics. Replacing your doors adds tangible value to your Auburn Hills home. Increased energy efficiency. Modern doors are designed to minimize drafts and heat loss, lowering your energy bills. Improved security. New doors often come with advanced locking mechanisms and reinforced materials. Higher resale value. Homes with upgraded doors are more appealing to buyers, making this investment worthwhile. Trust the experts for your door upgrade. Choosing and installing new doors is a big decision, and working with experienced professionals ensures a seamless process. Local companies in Auburn Hills understand the community's unique architectural styles and climate needs, helping you make informed choices. Final thought. Upgrading your doors is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your Auburn Hills home's curb appeal. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement with a new front door or give your garage door a stylish update, the transformation will not only boost your property's appearance but also its value. Invest in doors that combine style, functionality, and durability, and enjoy the pride of a home that truly stands out.